Hey guys, Waterfowler41 here, and in today's video we're doing a quick little update on a modification I made a few weeks ago. Pardon the messy truck, but this is the modification I made. So when I removed the carbon fiber steering wheel a few months ago, I went ahead and installed a steering wheel cover on top of my factory steering wheel. So this is still from the carbon fiber steering wheel, but this is the cover that I'm talking about. So I ordered this from a company called stitchingcovers.com. I saw them online, I was interested in it. Didn't really have a whole lot of expectations as far as quality and whatnot of it. I was just interested in the product, so I figured let's go ahead, install it, and see how it does. So I ordered the Alcantara version of it, so Alcantara sides and Alcantara top. The top is just solid black, and then the sides, if you can see, have a hexagon pattern. From a feel perspective, from driving the truck and kind of keep my hands on the steering wheel, I absolutely love it. It was a really cool upgrade. Definitely improved the experience over the factory steering wheel. Now, what I wanted to talk about is just kind of overall durability, because I posted about this on Instagram and a lot of people were like, oh yeah, that's not going to last very long. Well, some of them are kind of right. So let's hop in here real quick. When I drive my truck, typically my hand is here. Do a lot of road time with hockey tournaments, and if you could see, you're starting to kind of see the Alcantara kind of wear through. It's starting to get a little bit shiny here. So this is only a couple months old, but this is what the wear pattern looks like, and this is my daily driver. So anyway, just wanted to film kind of a quick update in terms of it. Again, I really do like the feel. If I were to do it again, I'd probably get a different material up top, but still stick with the Alcantara on the sides. I think this is holding up very well. I really don't use the sides all that much until I kind of start driving like a race car. But since my hand sits up here most of the time that I'm driving, you could definitely see the wear pattern, and that's typical. I mean, even my factory steering wheel is starting to see this. But anyway, this is the steering wheel cover. Did just want to do a quick little durability update on it. Still looks great. Install was super easy. I did remove the steering wheel before, and so I had the steering wheel off the truck when I installed it, so it really did make installation of the cover easy. But by all accounts, looks great. Durability wise, we're only a couple months in. It's already starting to show some wear, so I don't know if this is going to last another year or so. But if it doesn't, maybe we look at another option. But anyway, that is the stitching cover. That's just my personal opinion. If you got any questions on this one, leave them down in the comments below. I will leave a link to this website here in case you are interested in it. There's a billion different ways to customize this, but just keep in mind that if you go with Alcantara, and again, I knew this going into it, that if you use it up on top, kind of where your hands are always at, you might see some accelerated wear. But with that said, thank you very much for watching. Appreciate it. Bye.